Allie, what do you think of her?
Good.
You like her?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's pretty cool. I was worried that I do like the, it's not even white. It's more of like a pearl color. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox Gear Shift. I know. Here, let me start it for you. You can start it. Okay. This is very hard, huh?
Yeah.
You gotta squeeze on the side. People say,
Thanks.
lift your fingers. Keep going. See if we can do it. Need help or you got it? I know. What are you doing here? Kids are trying to open. This is a kids game, right? But you need adults to help them open these plastic packages that can cut them. Oh, on the side. Go. Go, go, go. Yeah. Get rid of the stuff that can hurt you. Let me see. I don't want you to break the little...
Ding.
Oh, there you go. Look. Just pull that back. And then, yep, hold the bottom of her, not the... You got it? Let me see. There. There it is.
Look, it's kind of red. What?
What do you think of her? She's a robot, right?
Yeah, right.
Show the camera. Gear shift. Gear shift. Gear shift. Everybody. Card. If anybody cares. Show them the card. You can even have the codes. I don't care. Have the codes. You guys are going to have the stats too. Go ahead and put those in there. But alright, there's Gear Shift, everybody. Now we are going to play Gear Shift on the game. Later. Gear Shift unboxing. Booyah!
I like the way she colors. I like her color.
I know, huh?
Yeah. Mom, this is kind of like a hula hoop where she's going like this. Like that.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Tell me more about her.
She has powers and she looks like she's going
Like she's spinning in a circle? Like she's orbiting?
like she's the sun, like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, tell me some more.
And she's like a hot planet named Mercury or Venus or Mars. Like this. Like that, not staying still.
Okay, look at, give me thumbs up.
Thumbs up, everybody. Peace out.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Peace.